The finish line may be in sight, but questions are still racing when it comes to funding for the Arkansas Senior Olympics. Just weeks after the program lost state money, the program is back on track.
Yeah, this change comes after athletes and at least one lawmaker called a foul. Tonight, THV11's Tanya Motorzitsky explains what's changed.
A victory for Arkansas seniors.
We are getting our funding from DHS this year that's going to allow us to hold our games.
After public backlash and vocal state lawmakers, the Arkansas Department of Human Services restored $70,000 for Senior Olympics.
Better late than never.
I told you last month how just 2 weeks before the start of the fiscal year, money the Senior Olympics was promised back in March was suddenly pulled from under them. But as of last week, Greg Ebert, CEO of Arkansas Senior Olympics, says DHS reinstated the money and they expect to get it in September.
We don't know why. It's just delayed payment.
While he is breathing a sigh of relief, one of the Senior Olympics cheerleaders making sure they get funded is Senator Kim Hammer, who's also running for Secretary of State.
DHS is up against the wall because of the growing demand in other areas that their budget requires to meet, whether it's the food for the senior adult centers or just helping in other areas.
In a statement, DHS says it identified available funding to support the Senior Olympics at the same level it was funded last fiscal year. While questions are swirling about the state's more than $600 million surplus and if those funds can be spent to help, Hammer says that money is in the bank in case federal bucks are cut.
We have to be financially nimble enough to move in the event that the Fed should cut off funding.
Ebert is just happy to keep an important program in the race for healthy Arkansans.
We are a health organization first, and we happen to put on sports, and keeping people active and healthy and giving them competition and make new friendships.
In Little Rock, Tanya Motorzitsky, THV 11 News.